The formaldehyde-free treatments live deeper in your hair. The old process was an application, a blow dry, a flat iron. The flat ironing pushed it up into your hair, kind of more on the outside, but under the cuticle of your hair. Picture bark on a tree, kind of up under the bark, but still in the bark. The new treatments, they process in your hair for like 45 minutes, and during that processing time, they're penetrating deeper into your hair because they have to penetrate deeper to last as long, right? To last the 3 months. If it's sitting on the outside of your hair, it's just not going to stay there and it's going to wash out. So they're kind of penetrating more to where our hair color lives. And when I say hair color, I mean our women who are doing darker hair color, our root touch-ups, our girlies who go darker. It lives in the same area. So what's happening is during your treatment, only on some clients, we're seeing a color shift of about 1 level. Your hair's lightening up a little bit. Well, with that being said, we want you to get your color done after the treatment. It used to be before, now we're saying after. So you can do it as early as a week after. So come in, get your keratin, then a week later, get your hair colored. And instead of doing a root touch-up, your stylist might have to do like a root touch-up and a glaze if the color shifts. And that's only if the color shifts. Many of our clients are not experiencing a color shift whatsoever. Virgin hair clients, this isn't for you at all. Now, if you're someone who's doing highlights, again, we still want you coming in 2 weeks after your highlights. The keratin's not going to affect the highlights at all. In 2 weeks, whatever toner you had on your highlights will have washed out already. So we're not really seeing a shift in highlighted hair at all. It's really just someone who's been freshly colored and then they come in for keratin. So do your root touch-up after. That's it. Everything else is the same. They're great and they work great.